Joe Rode from Lokar Performance. I'm here to talk to you about one of our newest products, our AxiShift shift lever adapters. This patent-pending design, you're able to move your shift lever and rotate it in 360 degrees or 15 degrees in any direction. Once you find a position that you're comfortable with your shifter, you simply lock it down with the outside bolts. The AxiShift is available in two different versions. Our standard AxiShift is a simple bolt-on application and works with any manual transmission that has a standard 7/8" center-to-center bolt pattern. Our AxiShift Pro is available for Tremec TKO-500 and 600 transmissions and requires a replacement of the shaft, which is included in the kit. The Pro has all the same adjustability as our standard version, but you're also able to offset the shifter, and it has further rotation with an indexable spline shaft. So whether you're working with a custom console or you have tight clearance with your upholstery installation, or you're just looking for a more comfortable position with your shifter, the AxiShift is going to fix that problem for you. Like all Lokar products, AxiShift has a lifetime warranty and is made right here in the United States. You can purchase AxiShift any place that Lokar products are sold. See more information about AxiShift on our website, lokar.com.